In this video, I will show you how you will create a YouTube channel and just upload your first YouTube video using your phone. This is the page, your first page when you just log in. On your name and your picture, just create a new channel. In here you can create your name, the name of the channel that you want to create. On the header column you can write anything and the system will tell you, like for example in here you can see that this name is already taken, so I'm going to just, and you can see the green tick and just save. You can create here an image, like for example I'm going to choose an image for my gallery and I'm going to choose this watch and position it like that and just save. Having done that, now you can create a channel like that, and you can see that the channel have been created, and the channel you can view it by clicking on the image like that. Here you cannot see anything like image or something. You just click on create and you will upload them from the gallery. I'm going to choose this animation that I created using Adobe After Effects. I'm going to give it a title like course name, media, maybe animation, logo animation, logo animation, and then I'm going to specify using Adobe After Effects. Adobe like that. In here remember to add your description. You can describe the video with a lot of words. You can insert your keyframes here, your keywords. You can insert the hashtag like I'm doing here. Also you can insert, we have said description of the video, hashtag, keywords. Also you can insert the video timestamps to show your viewers where the video starts and ends. Here set your visibility, either public, unlisted or private. Also you can schedule like I'm doing here, like today I'm going to say 12 o'clock, set as premiere or not. For me I'm going just to leave it as not a premiere. In location you can set anything, like for example New York, USA, like that. On playlist you can create using your laptop the playlists and they will appear here. You cannot create them using the phone. This is short remixing. You can choose any. You can allow comments or you can switch off comments. Here you can modulate your comments like that, and after that you can just click create. You will be asked if this content is for the kids, and if not, remember to select the collect option here. As you can see, for me this is not meant for kids, and I will just leave it like that, and then I'm going to modify time. As you can see it is 12:40, so I'm going to just insert at 1 like that. Click next, click upload video, see video, and as you can see that my video is being uploaded. you can see above your phone like that. Your video must be processed. As you can see, 5 minutes remaining, and this always or sometimes make an error to estimate, like it have said 5 minutes and instantly it have processed the video. As you can see that my video is on YouTube, 0 views, 0 likes, and the video is 24 seconds, no, 10 seconds long. Now coming to your YouTube channel, you can see that the video have been uploaded to YouTube like that. You can see the comments are turned off because I have scheduled it to premiere at 1 like that. So in here, to have the settings that you require, like go to your channel and choose either of these. You can share your video, you can edit your video, also you can add to playlist like that, manage your, or you can go to your manage and these options will appear here. All the videos will accumulate on that. For your video analytics, you can go to this analytics, the second last thing. In here you can see that the videos are set differently. Live, here you can select, choose by an option like most viewed or most recent in the live. So you can go to the videos and you can see that we have just one video selected. If you want to see the views, just as you can see that we have the one view here, you can choose to add maybe description. For example, you want description to appear there. Go to your channel setting. Here you can type anything that you want. Like for example, I'm going to create, this channel was created this channel on 12th August 2024. So that is it. Remember to like this video, share this video to your friends, and comment any questions that you are having. Till next time, as you can see that the description have appeared here, so like this video, comment on it and share to your friends. Till next time. And also I'm going to create a desktop version of the same, so subscribe and tune in for tomorrow's video. Bye.